morning everyone. How are you? Okay, I am also fine and I am your teacher Miss Kiran. Yesterday I told you about letter A. Do you remember? Yes, I told you about letter A. How to pronounce it, what is the sound of A and which things that start with letter A. Okay, today I will tell you how to write capital A. Okay, how to write capital A. Look at the board. We have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many lines are here? 4 lines. Okay, you have to write capital A in 4 lines. Okay, look at the board very carefully. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Okay, like this. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. And you have to draw another slanting line downwards. Okay, these are 2 slanting lines. You have to start from the top. You have to start from the first line and draw a slanting line and another slanting line. Okay, and in the middle you have to draw one slipping line. Okay, you have to draw one slipping line. Once again, start from the top. You have to draw one slanting line. You have to draw another slanting line and in the middle a slipping line. Now this is a capital A. Capital A. Okay, once again you have to start from the top, one slanting line, another slanting line and a small line, a slipping line. Okay, this is a capital A. Okay, and you have to practice it on your rough registers. You have to write 2 pages of capital A at your home with the help of your mummy. Okay, promise? Good.